Good morning, second graders. Tomorrow, Tuesday, April 28th at 9:30 a.m., we will have our first Google Meets meeting with our whole class. Hopefully everyone is able to be present at 9:30 tomorrow. So I want to make sure that we have a few things, or you do a few things before the meeting, okay? So if you have not done this yet on your Chromebook, you're going to click on Google Meets meeting information, and then click on the Google Meets parent letter. Now there's a lot of clicks, and the grid extension, okay? Yours should say remove from Chrome. If it does not, you have not added it yet. So if yours says add to Chrome, you're gonna click add to Chrome, add extension, and then it's added. So if yours says remove from Chrome, you're just going to click out because you are already good to go. Okay, so then tomorrow morning at about between 9:25 and 9:30, Mrs. Meddert's going to log in at about 9:25. If you try to log in any earlier than that, you are not going to be able to get in because the district has the block on there that you can only get in when a teacher is already present. So you are going to, at around 9:30, a little bit before 9:30, click on the link. Again, if the link doesn't work, it's because Mrs. Meddert's not in there yet, okay? And then this screen will pop up. Before you click join now, I need you to mute your microphone because if we have 28 different friends on there and all of our friends have background noises or are trying to talk at once, then it's just a mess. And so you need to mute your microphone, and then Mrs. Meddert will direct you when to unmute your microphone to talk, and then once you're finished talking, you're going to need to mute it again. Always leave your camera on. So if I click it off, then we can't see your beautiful faces. So leave it on so everyone can see you and you can see everybody. Once your microphone is muted, the red tomorrow, then you can click join now. Okay, and then it will pop in, and then it will show once more people pop in, my screen will get smaller, my face, my picture here, and there'll be a bunch of different pictures and videos of your friends on here. This morning we had a staff meeting and there were 50 people present, so the boxes got pretty small, but I was able to see everybody because I had the grid extension downloaded. So make sure you have that. Then tomorrow, because I'll walk you through this too, but I will have you click on these boxes up here and you will need to enable the grid view, only show participants with the video, highlight speakers, include yourself in the grid, and then enable grid view by default. So that way every time you go into our Google Meets, you can see everybody in there, okay? So the main things for tomorrow are download that extension. You cannot join the meeting until Mrs. Meddert is present in there. So if your link's not working and it's before 9:25, then it's probably because I'm not in there yet. So don't log in until closer to 9:30. Before you log in, mute your microphone. And then I want you to have something either in your head or some kind of picture or maybe a Lego creation that you want to share with the class tomorrow, because tomorrow we're going to kind of go around and share with everybody. So if it's my turn to share and Mrs. Meddert says, oh, Gretchen, it's your turn now, then you're going to need to make sure you unmute your microphone, and then everyone will be able to hear you and you'll see that I'm talking because the green is around it. And then once you are finished sharing and talking and it's the next person's turn, you'll need to make sure that you mute your microphone again so there aren't a bunch of background noises and distractions when we are meeting. Okay? So tomorrow I will actually be at school for our meeting, and I believe Miss Larson will be joining me at school. And so you will see our classroom as the background here. And yeah, so I am looking forward to seeing you all tomorrow at 9:30 in the morning. I hope you all can join. If not, we will have more meetings in the future. So I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great day. Hopefully you can get outside and play lots today because tomorrow it is supposed to be rainy and colder. All right, see you tomorrow.